Want picnic? Welcome to Island Rhyme. Fruit number 1. Mango. This is a mango. Say it with me. Mango. Mango. Mango is juicy and sweet. Fruit number 2. Coconut. Coconut. Fruit number 3. Ackee. We eat ackee with saltfish for breakfast. Bye bye, ackee. Fruit number 4. Can you guess which fruit is next? Yes, soursop. This is a soursop. Okay, fruit number 5. Star apple. Want star apple? Star apple. Fruit number 6. Nursery. In Patois, we say Nursery. Fruit number 7. Banana. Fruit number 8. June plum. This is a June plum. Fruit number 9. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. In Patois we say a pineapple this. Fruit number 10. This is a breadfruit. We roast, fry or boil breadfruit.
Yum yum.